Sustainable soil management for Australian cotton growers by scaling up new waterjet technology is a project delivered by the South Australian NoTill Farmers Association with funding support from the Australian Government's National Landcare Program. Terminating cotton ratoon at the end of the growing season without using soil disturbance is a challenge for growers. The jeticide concept of terminating cotton ratoon by injecting herbicide at 3,450 bar or 50,000 psi was first tested in 2017. The preliminary results showed that the jeticide could deposit herbicide effectively into the translocating tissue of the cotton ratoon. A basic design was used throughout 2018 to demonstrate a proof of concept in a variety of circumstances, including when jeticide was applied to standing ratoon prior to mulching. Jeticide field trials evaluating herbicide rates that were conducted in parallel to this project across New South Wales and Queensland showed that the jeticide application was at least as effective as traditional methods of ratoon control. The aim of this particular National Landcare project was to build on earlier work and upscale the mechanical delivery method that controls the jeticide across the paddock, which is known as the engagement tool. After testing a number of prototypes, a farm-ready, robust and accurate engagement tool for terminating the cotton ratoon without soil disturbance was developed in conjunction with NDF. The first prototype was designed to travel between rows and apply jeticide to both adjacent rows of cotton ratoon using a spring-loaded wand. The wheel and parallelogram design worked well in ideal conditions. However, over rough ground or when significant plant gaps were present in the row, the wand tended to bounce, which reduced application consistency. The jeticide method of cotton ratoon control relies on the engagement tool to keep the nozzle on the row at all times. Consistently slice low on each ratoon stalk, aiming between the cotyledon and the ground. Negate surface residue and variability. The engagement tool design was enhanced with dual walking wheels and a new wand design with improved rebound dampening. Flow International ultra-high pressure plumbing was installed, including a much smaller nozzle body that was secured into the wand. A new Aquatil ultra-high pressure pump was supplied by Flow International. The flow pump is 3-point linkage mounted and powered by the tractor PTO via a torque clutch. In the field, the upgraded engagement tool managed surface variability tremendously well, even at speeds in excess of 15 km/h. The elongated wand design, with improved rebound dampening, aligned well with the row in a variety of situations, significantly improving the consistency of the jeticide application. The size of the flow nozzle, coupled to the ground speed, determine herbicide penetration into the stem. Operators should aim for the translocating tissue of metabolically active ratoon. The best timing for jeticide is as soon after cotton picking as practical and prior to frost or other plant stress. Avoid slicing entirely through the stem, as this may reduce efficacy. Ideally, a thin band of herbicide is sliced into the stem. With minimal physical damage, the jet stream should penetrate 1/4 to halfway through the cotton stem. The engagement tool will work effectively in mulched ratoon. However, early assessment of herbicide trial data suggests that applying jeticide to standing ratoon may be more favourable. This National Landcare project has demonstrated that the waterjet technology can scale up from a research prototype into a credible farm machine. In addition, the capacity to support Australian cotton growers to adopt technologies that reduce soil cultivation has been improved by this project. For research enquiries, contact Greg Butler at the South Australian NoTill Farmers Association. For commercial enquiries, contact David McGavin at Precision Seedling Solutions.